Hey y'all, it's Miracle. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's very cold, it's rainy, it's probably like 60 degrees and it's so dark outside, and I'm making some chili. So if you want to make some chili with me, then keep on watching. This is my chili dance. So this is going to be a Chit-Chat style cookie. Maybe. Chopping up the onion. So what's up with you guys? I went to my class reunion over the weekend and it was lit. It was lit. I got to see like my old buddies, and it was just really fun. Like, I literally felt like I was in school all over again. I felt like it was my senior year all over again. Like, it honestly just felt like I was reliving prom night. Except people were drunk this time. If you're not subscribed right now, please subscribe to my channel and share it on your social media. Because around November, I'm going to be consistent in November. Oh, trust and believe, because I will be popping out so much Christmas content. Christmas is my jam. And I'm going to be showing y'all recipes, decorating. Literally, we're going to have like 8 or 9 trees up in this house, and I'm going to show myself decorating them. Boom, there we go. As you can see, I already sauteed my onion and cooked my meat. So now I'm adding in some tomato sauce. And I'm going to add crushed tomatoes. I added in chicken broth already. Okay, I'm going to add seasoning to it. The main seasonings that I used were cumin, garlic, and chili powder, but also salt and pepper. Link for everything will be in the description. Okay guys, here's the final product. It turned out really well, so all I'm doing now is just adding some shredded cheese and a dollop of sour cream, as well as a side of crackers. It turned out really well. It was the perfect meal for this cold and rainy day. And stay tuned towards the end of this video, because I'll be showing you a bonus chili recipe that's my family's favorite. It's so good, guys.
Tell me what can I do, what you feel like I do. Baby, baby, in time, baby, I know you're fine. Tell me what can I do. Yeah. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. I thought we were now. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. You want my love, baby. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby. Now you got me twisted, thinking about the way that things used to be. When it was you with me, girl, I was so free. See, you had my heart from the start.